Morning everyone, I have for you today an absolutely stunning 2014, so it's a late 14, 64 plate Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic 3-litre SDV6 diesel. So this is a family car which I'm selling when I sourced originally a couple of years ago from its one private owner ordered brand new from Land Rover. The reason why I chose this car is mainly the specification that it had, one owner, full Land Rover service history, always been under warranty as well. But I love Causeway Grey. I think it's absolutely one of the best colours. It's not quite as harsh or as common as the black that a lot of people seem to have Range Rovers in. The Causeway Grey is just a very, very dark grey and contrasts beautifully with the black stealth pack that this car has got. So one of the options it's got, I mean it's all listed in the ad, but it's got the 22-inch alloys, which are the best ones, finished in gloss black. You've got the red oversized Brembo brake calipers, braking systems, you get extra braking and it just looks great. Got the deployable side steps as well, which are like a £1,500 option. Bodywork is fantastic condition. Tyres are all good. This car's only been serviced by Range Rover main dealer. It's never been anywhere else. It's got the correct Continental cross contact all season tyres, and they have plenty of tread on them. So as you can see, it's got the privacy glass as well. This car is fully colour coded, absolutely everywhere. So you've got all the body kit and lower half is all colour coded to the car. Then you've got the contrasts, gloss black wheels. Very rarely, which you'll never see, I certainly haven't seen, is all this bit. It's usually plastic, so that's gloss black, as is that there, and that's normally all plastic, so that just finishes it off beautifully. It's also obviously got the black strip at the back, the Autobiography Sport badge and the black lettering. Again, this is not standard stuff, so it just helps the car look so much better than a normal Range Rover Sport. So if you want one that really stands out from the crowd, this is definitely the one to have. And combined with the specification that it's got, it really is a fantastic opportunity to purchase a Range Rover Sport that stands out and has all the options that one could want. I'm walking around the car. This is the suspension on its low setting or access setting. Obviously you can raise it when you drive off, it raises to the mid height, and then you can also raise it to off-road height if you wanted. Again, on the front you've got the black lettering, and then again you've got the gloss black here and here all painted, whereas normally that is plastic, just bare black plastic. And again, it just helps it look that bit better than the normal Range Rover Sports. Obviously you've got the opening pan roof on this one rather than the fixed panoramic roof. Pretty essential really, no point having a panoramic roof if it doesn't open, in my opinion. Got the vents on the bonnet and on the wings. There's little vents in the back bumper. We can do finance on this car. If you wish, you can do a hire purchase, straightforward repayment finance with or without a deposit. Please ask me if you want a quote. Got all the book pack with it. There is one key. There is a whole load of service receipts and invoices for all the work that's carried out. The car is still under Range Rover extended warranty, which we pay for every month. The new owner can take that over if they wish, by continuing the payments for the rest of the year. But definitely worth having, because if you get anything wrong, it comes with breakdown assist, MOT cover. They will literally come and get the car, or they'll send someone out to fix it there and then, or they'll book it in, so it's definitely worth having the warranty on these cars with a breakdown assist and the MOT cover. So let's go through the inside. So you've got electric boot lid and the button. Load space covers in place, 12 volt socket there, hooks, etc. We have put in a load mat protector, so that's there, you can have that with the car. And then you've got the spare wheel, all the tools and jack and everything that's supposed to come with the car is correct and in place as it should be. Tow bar, electronically deployable I should say. And we've just used it as a occasional bike rack carrier when we've taken the children out. Taking children out for a bike ride, not very often I must say, probably about twice a year, but it's there and we have a bike rack for it. The bike rack doesn't come with the car, but it's a great thing to have, so you can get 3 or 4 bikes on, especially if you're all going together, there's 4 or 5 of you. It's got the Alcantara headlining in grey, which is so much nicer than the standard black fabric. You've got the rear media system with digital TV, CD, memory card reader. You've got USB ports to plug data sticks in, audio video cables, and multiple ways you can play back media on all the TVs. It's actually also got dual view screen at the front. There's 3 sets of headphones, 1 for the front and 2 for the back. So the passenger can watch TV at the front, the same as the rear passengers, while the driver is driving, watching the sat nav. So you've got pimento and black leather interior, meridian sound system, which is fantastic. Deployable side steps, so you can see it's just popped out. Panoramic roof, TVs there. Got cup holders in the central armrest. We've also got climate at the back. This is part of another option that it had. Heated rear seats, and you can see below there the USB port and audio visual cables to connect to the rear media if you wanted to do it that way. Start with the passenger side first. This car has also got soft closed doors. Perfect, you've got sleeping kids in the back. You need to leave and don't want to disturb them. So it just catches and then it pulls itself shut like that. So you've got the 18-way seat, heated. I think they're cooled as well, not sure. I have to double check. The car's in beautiful condition, really is. It's done around 49,000 miles, give or take. So, pretty good really. Go on to the front of the car. The private reg, of course, was the front of the car. You've got on attention. You've got the blind spot assist in the mirrors, which flashes when a car's in your blind spot. The power folding, heated, auto dimming, then another option. You've got illuminated stainless steel sill plates, another option. Driver's seat unmarked, stainless steel pedals. Got the buttons there for the boot, which you can open and close via that or via the key. And the deployable side step button, which you can put permanently up or down. And it's also got lane departure assist, or lane departure warning I should say, on this car. You've got the piano black trim, which again was an option. You've got the red anodized aluminium gear shift paddles, which again was an option. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, and your voice control, phone control and menu control buttons there. Automatic adjust for the steering wheel, and that has easy entry and exit, so it moves up and down as you want. can obviously program the seats and steering wheel to each setting as you want, to the memory settings. So of course you've got the air suspension, which you can raise up and down the different drive modes that are fantastic and makes the car pretty much unstoppable. So you've got digital TV, dual view screen, so you, like I said, passenger and driver can do two things simultaneously. Navigation, parking sensors with rear view camera front and back, and multiple media sources for your music playback, so whether it's the hard drive, your phone, Bluetooth, USB, all sorts is available. You got the ambient lighting, which of course you can configure to whatever colour you want, and then various other features you can play through there, including setting the climate control to come on at various times, which I'm not sure exactly how you do, but it's there. You've also got the rear media settings there, so you can control that from here, whether it's TV, DVD, etc. Seat control, yeah, heated and cooled, and the rear seats as well, you can control, they're heated only. Climate control there, cup holders, and then you've got storage there with the USB and auxiliary, and then you've got the fridge in the armrest to keep your drink cold or whatever else. And the digital dash, you've also got speed limit display on here, so it'll display the speed limit for whatever road you're driving on. And that is pretty much it, ladies and gents. So it's also got white LED lights inside throughout. That pretty much sums up the car. So priced very competitively for the specification, the amount of owners, the service history, etc. that it's got. If you'd like more information, then please drop me an email or give me a call and I can discuss it further with you. The car's available today and has just had a recent service in September 2019, as well as an MOT, so it literally needs nothing at the moment and is ready to go for its new owner. And we've had, I think, discs and pads replaced all at the main dealer in the last year or so, so those are all, yeah, in the last year those have been done. We've had tyres replaced, so literally everything's been done on this car that you'd expect, hence why you can see there are no big rusty discs front or back in this car, because they are pretty new. That about sums it up. Look forward to taking your inquiries on the Range Rover Sport. Thank you.